Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change to a pattern lock on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, changing to a pattern lock enhances the security of your device by requiring a unique pattern to unlock the screen. Patterns lock provide a layer of protection against unauthorized access and help safeguard your personal data and privacy. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To initiate the process, access the settings menu on your device. Okay, after that, scroll down until you locate the security and privacy option and tap on it to access security settings. Well, within the security settings, select the lock screen. Okay, and here you can choose the first option available to modify the current screen lock method. Enter your current screen lock credentials and then select the pattern option to set a new unlock pattern. Okay, after that, draw a unique pattern on the screen and click continue to proceed with the pattern setup. So, confirm the pattern by redrawing it and click OK to save the changes. Well, by changing your screen lock method to a pattern, you enhances the security of your device while adding a personalized touch and the unlocking process. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change to a pattern lock on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.